What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're gonna upgrade the analog mixer at the church and make it a digital one with the XR18. With the XR18, you'll be able to control it via your computer, PC, or Mac, and any tablet you want. iPad or Android. But first things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Basically, this is what you get out of the box. It has 16 inputs, 8 outputs. The 2 is used for the main, and the 6 is used for like in-ear monitors. So we have the Behringer right here, and pretty much on our old snake, we will put all that right up to here. Kind of align it with the numbers as well that they have there, and let's see how well it does. So the Behringer XR18 is connected via the Ethernet remote here. You can also use Wi-Fi or access point, which is connecting directly to it from an iPad or computer. Also connected to the USB-B that goes to the Mac Mini. The cable we use here is the USB-B to USB-A cable. I don't recommend using the USB-C because it doesn't work as well. It reads better if it's a USB-A like so. I use a USB 2.0 as well for better reading. I also bought a long one. I think it's a 25 footer so that it reaches the middle of the stage for the music, and also it extends to where the AV is sitting so that they can control it via Mac Mini. Here you'll be able to control your XR18. I'm using the M Air right there. This is the new software. The Behringer XR18 can actually connect to the iPad via internet, via Wi-Fi. So you can control it right off your pad, like so. Th- This is great if you're sound testing and you want your AV person to be in the back of the room so that they can hear the overall sound. Now, in reality, it actually has 18 lines, but I don't count the mono and left and right there on the end there. Also, if you're using this for in-ears, make sure that you only gonna use 6 outputs because the 2 will be used for your left and right mains. The 6 outputs as well can be used for a surround sound. It also has a MIDI controller slot, so you can use an actual mixer controller to control this. This could be used like a snake. It could be closer to where the band is, and then use different types of MIDI controllers to control it like a traditional mixer. Another thing that I found out when I was testing this is that the connection for the Wi-Fi might not be as great. If you have a bigger place, more than 2,000 square footage, you might need to use a router or a router extender, a Wi-Fi extender, so that you can increase the range of the XR18. Now, if you have a huge venue for weddings and all that, basically you will need a separate router so that you can extend that access point. Now, of course, the whole point of the rack system like this, like the XR18, is so that you can actually use it to travel. Here you can buy a rack master kind of like casing. Basically, with this, you'll be able to carry around, use it, put it on an airplane even. You can carry around your XR18. And if you are a church that is, you have multi sites and you're always moving around different condos, you use different hotels, you use different venues all the time. This is great because mixer could be very bulky. I remember our old analog mixer was a bit bulky. With this, it's just a little rack, and if you don't have a computer, you don't have to bring your Mac Mini. You can bring a just an iPad will do, or you can use like a MacBook or some sort of laptop. So you're more portable than ever before. Now, this is not an extensive review. There are a lot of videos that I can link below if you really want to learn how to use this on its max capacity. But I'm just gonna show you like a quick brief features of it. As you can see, you can change EQ inputs here, change the gain. There's a lot that you can actually do with your voice. We don't use any of this in our church because everything is pretty basic. They even have like FX here. You can change effects if you want to like even change the balance and also the pitch, the how high, the lows are lower and higher, whatever you might be. You can do all that. Again, there's a lot of extensive videos about the XR18. I'll link everything down below so that you can learn the full amount of this device. But as you could see, it is great to have this kind of like equipment for a cheaper price. The XR18 for the price is $1,000, which is, in my opinion, pretty cheap compared to an actual mixer. Mixers can go up to like 5,000, usually 2,000. And like I said earlier, if you want it more portable, this is the best way. It's the best solution. I've also tried and looked up other cheaper versions of this rack style digital mixers, but some of them don't work on some things. So, for example, if you wanted just pretty basic normal analog mixer, but the rackable version, there are cheaper versions like 750. I can link all that below as well. But I would recommend this because we are actually using Audio Fusion for our in ear. Basically, Audio Fusion is using your iPhone or iPads as an in ear monitor. With the Audio Fusion, you'll be able to change the volumes on each individual instrument. So that is really useful if you are in a band and you don't want to hear certain people, certain, like sound, and you just want to hear yourself or the metronome, that's it. You could do that with that. Now with the XR18, that's fully compatible with the Audio Fusion. Again, I'll link all this below as well. And it works all the time, except for the times that it won't connect. It is more complicated once it doesn't connect, and there's a bit of troubleshooting to it. But this is the only solution that I found for the mix of Mac and iPhone, iPad that works really well. So definitely recommend that. Now, without further ado, of course, you want to hear the sound coming from the XR18. Again, this will vary what kind of like main speaker you have, what kind of monitor you have, what kind of instruments you have. But this is pretty basic setup. We have two main speakers, left and right, and we have a subwoofer in the middle, which we use aux 6 for it. And the instruments are pretty much directly connected to the XR18. So let's go ahead and check this out.
Christmas in the Philippines, in a Filipino culture, is not complete without food. Right? Everyone's hungry?
Philippians chapter 2, verses 9 to 11. For this reason also, God highly exalted him and bestowed on him the name which is above every name, so that at the name of Jesus every knee will bow, of those who are in heaven and on earth.
So what do you think? Is it really good? Is it pretty legit? Let me know in the comments below. Basically, the price of this will be linked down below as well. Go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link. It does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. I am not sponsored by Behringer whatsoever or any of the brands I've said below. Um, but it does help with the channel a lot because it's an affiliate link in Amazon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button so that it helps the channel a lot, helps the algorithm to see how we can beat the algorithm. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.